Another problem of having a good heart is that people, they think we are stupid. Sometimes you are trying to help people. You don't want to see people, they are struggling. You know that we have got something to help them. A person can come to you and say, please borrow me money. I will pay back that money at end of the month or at end of the week. But that person doesn't bring that money, starting ignoring you, or you are starting calling that person, doesn't pick your calls. Other people, they think maybe you don't want to use your money, but at that time you want to use that money, you have got something important to use that money, but you feel pity for that person because people, when they beg, they can humble themselves. But when you want that person to pay back your money, you have to beg that person, or maybe they are starting talking bad about you, insult you. I don't understand people. We don't appreciate people who are helping us. We have to appreciate people who are helping us. Like maybe you are very stubborn to that person. You forgot at that time you came at that person. You promised that I will pay back at end of the month. And now it's end of the month. You are starting ignoring the calls. Or maybe now it's about 5 months or 6 months. You don't pay back that money and you are going to hate that person.